Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing good. And as we are doing PERT and CPM topic from operations research, and we have done how to calculate critical path method and how to put the dummy in the PERT network, how to construct the PERT network. So today we will do another type of example, and here we will draw a PERT network. So let's start. As we can see here, in first column all activities are given, and in second column all predecessors are given. So here there is no predecessor of activity A and activity B. So it's mean that activity A and B are the first activity. So A and B, these are the first activity. Now here we can see A is the predecessor of activity C, and here also A is the predecessor of activity E. So we can, A is here, so we will draw E and C. Now next is B. B is the predecessor of activity D, and here also B is the predecessor of activity F. So activity B is here, B, D and F. So how we will do? D and F. We combine this D activity to C activity because C and D are the predecessors of activity G. So from C and D we can perform G activity. Fine. Now next is F and G. So F and G are the predecessors of activity H. So what we can do, if we combine this F activity to G, then we can perform H activity, right? So we will combine this F activity to G activity, and from here we can perform activity H. Fine. Now next is E is the predecessor of activity I, and next if we can see here, H and I are the predecessors of activity J. So if we, E is here, right? So E is the predecessor of activity I. So what we can do, if we combine this I activity to H activity, then from this point H and I are the predecessors of J activity. So we can perform J activity, right? Now after J, K. J is the predecessor of activity K. So it is the last event. So from here we can draw K activity. So this is the method how we construct the PERT network. Now we will put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I hope guys you understood how to construct the PERT network, and if you have any query, any doubt, you can mail me and you can message me on YouTube also. So till then, take care guys. Bye bye.